So hello everyone, welcome back to another lessons on Python hands-on. So in today's lessons or in today's program, we are going to write a program that will generate acronym of the given sentence or the given phrases. So as you can see on the screen, there is some sentences or we can say words like artificial intelligence, and the acronym of artificial intelligence is AI, machine learning is ML. Similarly, maybe any more examples, like Internet of Things, IoT, artificial neural network, it will be ANN, okay, natural language processing, in short, that is called, NLP. So similarly like that. So it means we are going to create acronym of the given phrases with the help of Python code. Okay, so we are going to write code here. Okay, so I've already created the file that is called acronym.py. Now, what are the things? First it will be input phrase. Okay. So and then we are going to take as input enter a phrase. Fine. So you can see the logic here. Okay, so how the things are working. So we can see first what we have to do. We have to split the sentences, maybe more than 3 or any sentences is could be. So we have to split the sentences by words. Okay, so each word we have to extract, and then for the each word the first letter should be capital. So that is we are going to use the common logics for converting to the acronym or treat it as a or considering as a acronym. Okay, so first letters of first letter of each word is converted to uppercase. Okay, so that is we are going to do. So we have taken the input here. Okay, now we have to do, so let's now convert the all the words. Okay, all the words, so in phrase, and we have to split all the words. Okay, by default it will be a space. Okay, so by split we are going to split here. Okay, so we can give the name as split the phrase into words. Fine, and then let's create some variables and give this name called acronym. Okay, ym, and we are going to allocate blank. Okay, so empty string we are going to initialize as an empty string that will be store the result. Now we have to traverse over this word. Okay, and then going to extract word by word. Okay, so for word in words. Okay, so this one we are going to take and we are going to traverse word by words. Okay, and then here what we have to do, we have to append the each letter. Okay, so we are going to append each letter capital case of each word first letter in capital case, we have to concatenate together, right? So this is the things we are going to do. Okay, and we have to store here on the variable called acronym. Okay, so let's first do that. So plus equal to, we have to each word is stored at this instances variable. Okay, so we word. Okay, and then it should be first letter, right? So first means 0, and then should be uppercase, upper. Okay, I'm fine, and then it should be concatenated with previous one. It's like that. Okay, fine. And finally print the result. Okay, so we can print the result like we can use formatted string input phrase equal to, this one is our phrase. Fine, and acronym should be fine. This one we are going to embed. So let's run this code. Let's make it the full screen. Fine, I'm going to run this one. Okay, so it's asking, so I'm going to type machine learning. Okay, you can see the acronym is ML. Similarly, if re-execute this one, so let's call artificial artificial intelligence. Okay, so artificial intelligence, AI. Okay, similarly, if you're going to do like anything you can type, right? First we have to run this one, right? Run the Python file. So we can say Internet of Things. Okay, so IoT, you can see like that. Okay, so it may be sometime instead of IoT, okay, it may be it's sometime yo, okay, T like that. Okay, sometimes it could be there, but our simple logic we are going to do, we are going to convert each letter, first letter of each word to uppercase. Only we are considering this phrase is normal. Okay, we can add more logic. Okay, so if there is more than 2 or 3 phrases, or maybe some maybe acronym is not just for uppercase first letter of uppercase of first letter you know in each words. Okay, it's not like that. Sometimes it's not it's only the uppercase lowercase like that, but we are considering the simple things.